Fuck, man. Just
Yeah,
go to bed.
fuck, man.
Yeah, okay, next one we'll go outside.
No, fuck that. No next one.
Okay, we'll go outside. We can't.
Leave the TV room. Take it into your room.
We're watching the show.
No, you're not.
Alright, just fuck off, okay?
Fuck
Why
you.
don't you fuck off?
No, because. Why do you smoke out here?
Because we wanted to have a
Because you want to
smoke.
cause a fucking fight. That's why you do it.
Go to bed.
You know what's going to happen.
We're trying to watch the show. Fuck off, man. What are you doing? Just fuck off.
Turning it off and ejecting it.
Just go away. We're trying to watch
Fuck
the show.
you.
Would you just please fuck
No,
off?
Bert, you do every time you get drunk, you do stupid things.
Just having a smoke, man.
Yeah, right. Like this fucking juice out here.
I didn't fucking do the juice.
Yeah, right. Look at that frying pan there, Derek. It's across that and the flipper. That means the fish was done. I wasn't anywhere near
I don't
there.
care. It was there when I came back, man.
No, it wasn't there.
Yeah, it was. I haven't had any juices. The
No,
juice was
there
done when I
wasn't.
came back. Me and Norbert didn't have any juice.
No juice.
He's correct.
It doesn't matter. That's when it happened.
Fuck off, man. Go to bed.
You fucking... Fuck you. Go outside with your goddamn
We're not
cigarette.
smoking.
You were.
Yeah, your dad's right. It smells bad.
Yeah, because you don't smoke when it's not the same.
Yeah.
I'm a smoker.
Better be caught your pants down.